My family. Family is an integral part of our lives, shaping our personalities, beliefs, and values. It provides us with the emotional support and security we need to thrive in the world. My family consists of four members: my father, my mother, my sister, and myself. We live in a small but cozy house that is filled with love and warmth. My father is the pillar of our family. He is a dedicated teacher who works at a local school. Every morning, he wakes up early to prepare for his classes. He believes that education is the key to a better future and always encourages us to pursue our studies diligently. My mother is the heart of our family. She works as a nurse at a nearby hospital. Her job is demanding, but she always comes home with a smile on her face. At home, my mother is an amazing cook. She prepares delicious meals that we all look forward to. She believes in the importance of healthy eating and ensures that we have a balanced diet. Despite her busy schedule, she finds time to help us with our school projects and extracurricular activities. My sister is younger than me, and she is the joy of our family. She is full of energy and always has a smile on her face. She loves to play games and watch cartoons. We spend a lot of time together, playing, laughing, and sometimes arguing, but we always make up quickly. We all wake up early in the morning to start our day. Breakfast is a special time for us as we all sit together and discuss our plans for the day. After breakfast, my father leaves for school, my mother heads to the hospital, and my sister and I go to our respective schools. School days are busy, but we always look forward to coming home in the evening. Evenings are a special time in our family. We all gather in the living room and share our experiences of the day. Dinner time is another important part of our day. My mother prepares a delicious meal and we all sit together at the dining table. This is a time for us to relax and enjoy each other's company. We often talk about various topics, from current events to our future plans. This open communication helps us stay connected and understand each other better. Weekends and holidays are special because they give us more time to spend together. On Sundays, we usually stay home and have a family movie night. We take turns choosing the movie and my mother makes popcorn for us. During holidays, we often visit our grandparents who live in the countryside. Conclusion: my family is my greatest blessing. They have taught me the importance of love, respect, and kindness. They have supported me through thick and thin and have always been there for me. The values and lessons I have learned from my family will stay with me for the rest of my life. I am grateful to have such a wonderful family, and I cherish every moment we spend together. They are my strength, my support, and my inspiration. My family is my world, and I will always be proud to be a part of it.